responsibility as the majority party to keep the government open and serving the American people. Now, Mr. Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to bring up H.R. 4872, the End of Shutdown Act of 2018, a continuing resolution through Tuesday that would immediately reopen the government while negotiations continue on a budget agreement that adheres to parity, reauthorizing the Children's Health Insurance Program and other critical health care programs, addressing the issue of Dreamers, as was requested by the President of the United States, and providing assistance to Americans impacted by natural disasters.
As the minority whip must surely know, the time dedicated in this debate is for debate purposes only. So the question is to the gentleman from Texas,
I do not.
Would he yield for that purpose?
I would not.
The gentleman from Texas does not yield, and as such, the request cannot be entertained.
Mr. Speaker, can I, parliamentary inquiry.
The gentleman will state his inquiry.
I am stretching the parliamentary inquiry nature of this, but did the Speaker hear Mr. Meadows objecting to my unanimous consent request?
The request was not even entertained. The gentleman from Texas is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, at this time, I'd like to yield 3 minutes to the distinguished